Open Maintain PIRs. Choose the user icon and select App Settings. In the MRP Settings dialog box, choose Area of Responsibility. On the My Area of Responsibility screen, check if the below entry is assigned. Plant1 IN 1810, MRP Controller 001001. Then choose Back. On the Maintain PR screen, make the following entries. Plant 1810, Period Indicator, Monthly M, Version Active. Select all options. Search SG224. Choose Go to Execute. Select the material item and choose Edit in the upper right corner of the screen. On the screen, enter quantities per period, for example, PIR 100 for all periods. Make sure the version is active. Version active, yes. Choose Save at bottom right. Open Schedule MRP Runs. Choose Create. On the New Job screen, make the following entries. For 1. Template Selection section. Job Name. MRP for SG224. Choose Step 2. For 2. Scheduling Options section. Start immediately. Select Choose Define Recurrence Pattern. On the Scheduling Information screen, make the following entries. Start immediately, X. Recurrence Pattern, Single Run. Choose OK. Choose Step 3. For 3 Parameter section. Plant 1810. Material SG224. Change BOM components. Select Planning Mode 1. Choose Check at the bottom right. Choose Schedule. To check the job status, enter MRP for SG224 in the search box and choose Go at the top right section of the screen. Open Monitor Material Coverage, Net/Individual Segments. Choose the user icon and select App Settings. In the MRP Settings dialog box, check if the toggle button of Manage Material Coverage F0251A is on. Turn it on if the toggle button is off. In the search area, make the following entries and choose Go. Material SG224. Select the filtered rows and choose Manage Materials. Choose the corresponding material in the materials list on the left side. From the left materials list, choose a material for which you want to check the plan order. Material SG224. On the right screen, choose planned order in column MRP element.